silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Hello, friends. Alrighty, Chad, I have to run, but before we run, we are going to officially do the spin here for the PlayStation 5 as well as the Samsung QLED that might be swapped out for a Sinotech secondhand, barely used in the 2G studio. We're thinking about it now. I'm kidding. Alrighty, Chad. Hope you guys are ready. For the guys that stayed till the end this morning, I actually gave you guys the CPI signal. I don't know if you guys saw that. From what I can see, only Rick saw it. So, Ricks, can you just back me up there? Go rewatch the stream for all the guys that stayed till the end. Sometimes it's good to stay till the end. There was a free signal there in the chat. But I think it's only Ricks that got it. Chris did give it. All right, Rixie, I saw it. Okay. Chad, Keeks, are you ready?
Ready, brother.
Are you ready? How do we say we're going to do it? We're going to do 4 spins.
So we're going to do 4 spins.
And we're going to start from the top. So if the first place does not answer their phone.
There we go. So basically, Chad, how it's going to work is we have to obviously, we're literally going to get it now. Going to go through. Once we have the client ID tag, it will then go through to XM. They will contact you to just say, listen, are you happy that you won the draw? And we will then contact you to just congratulate you and further details. Then you'll say yes, and then you'll get a thing. But now if you decline, we can't get a hold of you, we're just going to go to the next person. So just to speed up the process, we are going to draw 4, and then we're going to go with it from there. Obviously, again, these are client ID numbers. So unless you know what your client ID on XM is.
It's Meta. I think it's MetaTrader. They can't give us the names due to the Poppy Act. So once we send them these numbers, there's XM. They're going to get into contact with you as the client to say, listen, you've won the PlayStation, the TV. Can we give your details to 2G's Trading to send you your gift? And then we'll take it from there. But Chad.
There we go.
I hope you guys are ready. Keeks, give me a countdown there so we can spin this bad boy.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Who is it gonna be? Let me just.
We're gonna write it down.
I'm gonna write it down. So the winner, 3-4. Yay!
There we go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 7, 2, 1.
Okay.
As I say, Chad, unfortunately, we are not going to know whose name that is until XM contacts them.
Unless you can claim it right on the spot. Okay, so the backup winner is, if they can't get all the first place, I hope you guys put in your details correctly.
Lyndon, that's me.
For real now, is it Lyndon? That would be crazy, bro.
Okay, 3808028220. That will be second place. If first place we cannot get hold of.
Okay, then.
Mine is at 97. All right.
Whoa. Okay, let's see. What is the chance the first and second? Oh, there we go. That is the backup third place winner.
3903964446. That is third place backup winner.
Is there anybody in the chat that these numbers look familiar? And then the last one. All right, let's see. I actually can't wait to see who won.
Yeah.
We'll actually phone the person.
Yeah, we are going to phone you guys. Yeah, we'll do a video call phoning you guys.
And we'll do a
82435355. That is the 4th backup winner, Chad. That is it. It is very, very exciting stuff. As I said, XM, we are literally going to put it onto them right now. So they possibly, if those were one of you, they could literally be like 30 minutes time.
So just have your phone ready.
They are literally going to be on it right now. So we'll get that to you guys. Hopefully, maybe Chris or whoever will be able to get back to us a little bit later, confirming that they got in contact with you guys. And after that is done, then we will have your details, and then we will make contact, which there we will record it and basically have that, and then we'll discuss the details to ship you your PlayStation 5 and new TV. W. Chris and Keys, this was a huge giveaway. Mass respect, G's. Appreciate it, Lyndon.
Did Lennon win it?
No, he's just saying thank you. No, Lyndon, we appreciate it. Chris and myself already said we're going to be doing a lot more. I think when we get back from Cape Town, we will be probably announcing maybe our next giveaway. So you guys have to keep in touch with that one. But there's a lot more stuff we want to start doing to give back to the community and give back to you guys for all the support you have always shown us. Dan was at work, working shift sucks. Awesomeness, Ricks. All right, that's you, brother.
Chad, yeah. Unfortunately, I have to run, but I will see you guys in the morning. Unfortunately, break even for me on US 30 earlier this morning. But I got back into some buys, so we'll see how it goes. But you are in very capable hands, Chad. And still looking for gold sales. You can enter now if you want to. Iron 2000 giving us a signal there. But Kigo, I'm going to head over to you, Chad. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the morning. Peace and love.
So big man.
If you didn't have anxiety, now you do.
All right, Chad, let me just get into the driver's seat quickly.
All right, Kigo. See you in the morning.
You're going to send that to me?
Already. I'll check on the group. Yeah, I literally wrote it like that. So I literally screenshot that.
And then just obviously you're going to give us a detail, just confirm that
He's going to first contact them, and then if they approve, if they say yes, then according to Poppy, you can do it to us.
Cool.
All right, sure, brother.
All right, Chad. Okay, that is all done. As I said, that has literally already been sent off there now, so we will wait feedback on that. As I say, keep your phones near you because you guys could be literally on the verge of becoming a winner here today. So just keep those phones on you. The minute we have contact that we can get in touch with you guys, trust me, that's what we'll be doing. And then we'll be bringing, getting in touch to organize things and get you guys your prizes. Now, Chad, I'm just doing this quickly, just setting up everything on my side here for the stream. And then we are going to get started, okay? So just setting everything up quickly. Give me a few seconds. We do have time, so don't worry about that. Just making sure everything is on that needs to be on. Who traded CPI, guys, and don't worry, we are still going to open up with a prayer now. We will definitely not forget about that. Just trying to get everything in place so quickly. Alright. Let's see ya, ladies and gents. W's for CPI. Hey, Neil, shop, brother. Alright, we don't even have a poll up here. There we go, guys. Let us know. Drop a like and subscribe. Did you smash CPR or did you get sliced like a chicken? Chat, but before we're going to open up with everything, as always, you guys know we will always open up with a prayer. So just bear with us quickly, Chad. Let me mute that other mic. Please, Chad, let's bow our heads. We are about to pray and let's get the session started. All right. Our Father, we pray for you this day to please be with us as we encounter this very difficult thing called trading. Be with myself and all these separate individuals as we do these things to try and change our ways, to try and change our futures for ourselves, for our families, just to give ourselves out of those generational problems, create generational wealth. Because for once, again, there's that hustle of never ever seeing acceptance of being average. We've always been inspired by you to raise your name to the highest, to take things to new levels. And we know with you by our side, we're always able to beat the odds, to be what we are destined to be. And this is one thing we are always trying to do. In your name we pray. Amen. All right, Chad. let's have him here with us today as we take on this difficult adventure of trading. So drop an amen if you guys are in agreement, so we know he is here with us and present. All right, amen. There we go. We know he is here. Let's take on this, Chad, and let's make some changes. Let's do it for you, whether you're trading for yourself, whether you're trading for your family, for your loved ones. We all have a reason for why we trade. So let's get into it. So starting us off here, Chad, with the fun chat. Now, what are we going to look at? First things first, obviously there was that Claremont count change for the dollar, but that was even before London session, so nothing to happen there. But obviously the big one that everyone's talking about, CPR. So the thing for me now, guys, I want you to understand is we want a very flat number coming up pretty much as expected. Now 0.3, 0.3. Now, yes, we are red 0.2, 0.2, but you have to understand that is still higher than the previous. All right, so still higher but lower than forecasted. And then the year on year 2.4, 2.4, there you just see a little bit of a drop in 2.3. So hence you could see a little bit of price coming down. We're not going to say it's mixed data, but at the end of the day it technically is, but pretty much flat, nothing too crazy. Hence why also a very low reactive CPI over there. But we did take it there with the Project G members, and we will still take a win and be happy with that. Now let's go to the charts and see what is happening, guys. Starting us off with DXY. Let me just correct this over there for you guys. Okay, so DXY, what am I looking at, guys? Now we spoke about the idea of being neutral. We're trading bullish, and the big thing now is we're back at that weekly key level. And again, this is not going to help us. We're pretty much going to stay neutral, and this is lining up with that CPI print. Where I want to say things can go is we definitely can see a bit of more bearish momentum coming in here today. So what I would like to personally see from the dollar is really see the start to melt off, especially if we get under the weekly RQ, the weekly R1, as well as the EQ. Yet again, they're both confused there. And then trading down for that weekly previous high. This is that area of volume we always talk about, where we want to see that breakthrough to either continue bearish, otherwise the fake out, and we're going to see a move continue bullish as Asia highs remain untested. So we can have that reversal. Going over to the indices side of things, again, breaking about that little next level of support. So definitely starting to really see that bullish momentum start to come in now on the indices. We had a very talk with the guys in Project G for the CPI call, mentioning that equities are back. We really want to see them start driving, and this is just the start of it. So again, previous daily highs, as long as we hold above here, I think we can definitely see that continuation, especially of what happened there with CPI. So anything above here, previous daily highs, Asia highs, this is where we're going to look for that continuation play. If we break under previous daily highs and Asia highs, and we can hold underneath there, a good chance we can actually go bearish today. So just watch out for that. US30 almost pretty similar. As you said, Chris is still trying to get it. So when we look at the two, guys, you almost have NASDAQ almost 0.3% up on the day. US30 minus 0.5% on the day. So again, we're still about one of them's line, one is to play catch up. Now US30 is looking quite strong. Still trading under the previous daily low, trading that and holding down there. So when you look on the 4 hour, pretty much at Asia lows. Now the big thing for us is we've traded down, been here the whole day, traded, taking the lows, holding the daily pivot. Now if we can get back above Asia lows, I think that's you're going to see the turnaround. Asia highs, previous daily high, and you'll see that volume and quickly see that catch up to NASDAQ. So definitely going to be looking for the buys there. But if we do break lower with some momentum and get under EQ, we could see a big drop off here today. So just watch out for that. And then lastly, with gold. Gold, I'm personally still on the bearish side here now. We did break that yearly resistance underneath the monthly pivot. We are holding now, actually forming a little bit of a doji under the monthly. But if we continue to hold underneath this, and again, you can see us trading back to that previous weekly low. So if we can break, this was our momentum to break above, had a daily pivot, a monthly pivot, Asia highs, all to hold the support. If we couldn't find support, breaking back down, taking Asia highs and previous weekly lows, that's when we'll start seeing that sell volume come in. But until then, this can potentially bounce back up to at least go test that yearly. So Chad, so we could see that retest of the yearly. But if that, as I say, it continues there, you could see a little bit of a sell-off. So just be careful of that one, right? But Chad, that is pretty much it. We're going to see what's going to happen on the markets. Obviously, I'm quite locked in for US30. We're going to see what is playing out over here. We can also have a look at what basically the Iron 2000 has in store for us. We have basically 4 minutes till market open. So we're going to see what happens over there. But let's get into it, chat. Getting better every day, Rooks. Baby steps. Thanks, brother Rooks. I appreciate it a lot. Mr. Norway, just keep it at that, brother. You got this. That's a good question, Forbes. Forbes, what was the question you asked there, my brother? Keys, brother, what is filter on IM2K? So, Forbes, basically that version 2. I can't remember, Forbes, if you in Project G. Michael, you'll know what it is. So, no filter is without the incorporation of what we did of the ADX. Filter is with the incorporation of the ADX. So the guys, remember, we had like the idea of what was a true signal and a false signal. The reason we brought in the filter was some guys liked it giving the false signals, because when they knew it was a false signal, so they could still manually do it, and then just get the false signals and then check it themselves, because a lot of guys, the false signals were basically just reverse trading them. So if it gave a buy, they would sell. If it sold, they gave a buy, and they were doing very well with that. So they were having a kind of a fix, in theory, a very basic one, but it works, a solution around fake signals, and they're still having the true signals as well. So that's why we just brought in as a filter for the guys that want that, and then the guys that want it easier, just put the filter on that you only get the proper signals. So yeah, I was just there for the guys to make it easier. So hence, when you see, if you take the filter off, you'll have a lot more trades than if you have the filter on. There is less trades. Oh, Lego brother, thanks. No problem. We'll do Ricks. Hit a speed bump. I'll ask questions. There we go. Just got to ask question, guys, and you'll see the difference all come together. What is markets going to do today? The minute we have our winner here, we will let you guys know. I'm going to unarchive it there just so I can see the minute that message comes through, that we can let you guys know. I'm also very curious to see who is the winner. As I said, guys, remember, first things first, they are going to phone you. So if you do see an unknown number, please, I know a lot of us do it. I do also do it sometimes. I don't answer unknowns. But if you did enter that competition, please, if you get an unknown number phoning you now, answer that call. It could be that you are our giveaway winner. Again, all you got to do is give them permission for us to contact you, and then we will be reaching out to you guys. Keeks, has there been any valid trades today with the new concept you're testing? I will tell you now, my brother. On gold, the buy this morning at 20 past 5, basically 5:30, that buy was valid on gold. And that hit TP4. Then there was the first sell. So it was a bar, and then there was a sell. That sell that hit TP1, that would have been a break even. That was valid at 8 o'clock, 10 past 8. And then you would have taken the sell at 25 past or 20 past 10. That sell was valid. After that, we have not had any other valid signals on gold. US30, the valid ones would have been the bar this morning at 7:30, which hit TP4. Then you would have had, let's see, you would have had the bar at 20 past 10, which did hit TP as well. And then you would have had also the bar at 11:30, so that's second bar. So both of the bars would have been valid on US30. And then that sell, that massive sell off we had, that was actually the trade. So you would have hit TP4 on that. And that was it. So you would have had 3 trades in US30 or 4 trades in US30 and 3 on gold, if I'm correct. So you would have had 1 break even, and the rest would have been TPs. Markets are open, Chad. There we go. Where is my horn? There it is. Markets open, Chad. Round 6. No, it's, I think it's a Wednesday. Yeah. Round 4. Ding, 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 ding. Open. Let's fight.
Round 1. Fight.
Let's see what's gonna happen here, Chad. Alright. I'm gonna drop down here. Let's put it on here quickly. Iron 2000. Nothing as of yet. There you guys can see that was the cells I was talking about. But nothing yet, guys. We are still waiting here. We are going to be quite patient, yeah. Just got to be patient. See if it can give us something, yeah. Alright, come on markets, give us something, yeah. We're gonna wait here patiently for a good year today, guys. Does anyone trade the Asia session in the morning? I'm sure some of the guys do. Rooksy, don't you guys trade? I think we joke about you and Lyndon and some of the guys, but I don't know if you actually do. Stove does, I think. Actually, yes. I'm pretty sure Stofey does. Alright. We're just going to wait here a little bit, guys. As I say, we could get a trade, yeah. We just got to quickly wait a bit. Right on market's going to do that for us. Let's open this up here. Alright, we're gonna see what can we get here. Sometimes you just gotta be patient, guys. He doesn't sleep. Yep, I do. There we go. Do in front of the charge from 5 a.m. Worthwhile to me. Try it. There we go. I love my sleep. Always want to be trades at the time of the morning. If I'm awake, I'll catch an Asia trade. When I wake up, Breeks already took 2 trades. The reason I ask, I work shifts, so I'm trying to see where I can get good setups because I work sometimes in the morning and sometimes at night. Come on, US study. Just by chalk, both my reviews are additional accounts, idiots. Hey. Hey, boys. Come on, US study. Just gotta be patient here, guys. We're waiting a little bit, but hopefully we'll get the trade we want. I want to get the numbers up. There we go. Conversion rate doesn't sleep. Alright, guys, remember 100 views, 9 more to go. Hey, your chat, the guys are pushing there. I love it. I absolutely love it, guys. Just the traders you're comfortable with. I just get up early, taking a couple of good trades in the early morning. It's not worth burning yourself out with shift work and trading, yeah. We just want to wait patiently, guys. A little bit boring, but we got to do it sometimes. Got it off in the end slap yesterday. 25% of the account gone. Oof. Oof, stove. What were you trading? Let's see. Come on. Give it to us, yeah, you steady. Basically, guys, if we can break Asia lows again, that's what we want to look for, yeah. Gold, ooh. Come on. Just gotta be patient here today, guys. That's all it is. We just gotta be patient. Interesting. Alright. Come on, USD. Just get above those Asia lows. And then let's take a little ride to Asia highs. Yo, markets are dead. Ferdinand, he's been waiting on the indicator. Rooks, I'm not sure who that is, my brother. Please just tell him to message support. Yeah, I'm not sure who that is. Just let him message support. Also, Rixie, let me know, my brother. Did Chris send you our little care package? That must have dropped on gold yesterday. Ay. Yeah, it's been a bit brutal lately. Come on, markets, just give us something. We're not asking for a lot. Just a little. Just a little. He did that, apparently still waiting on support. I mean, that must be impossible, bro. I mean, we've all seen our support's like, so I don't know if he sent message to the right support. I don't see why he would be waiting on support. Yes, Chris saw me out today. Appreciate it. Geez, awesome, brother. Awesome. Go treat yourself, my brother. NASDAQ on a serious bull run. That thing is only 5% from its all-time high level. Hey, there we go. We're starting to see things kick into gear again. Okay, we at Asia lows. Let's see what is going to happen. AW Rix. I showed Stoic and completely missed it. Come on, markets. Give us something. Oh, damn. Gold looking for a sell on Iron 2000. Not the worst. We did one sell today, so not the worst play. Wouldn't be the worst play. But we are waiting on our darling US30 to see if we can get some juicier. I'll hear if it has been sorted out. Keys. So I appreciate my brother. I don't know. Is he in the free chat? Where's he talking? Otherwise I'll send him a message. But yeah, we're just gonna have to see there. Keys, I see what you're seeing. Hey. What has Naz been doing? Oh damn, Naz gave the buy. Naz gave the buy. But we're just waiting on US30. We're just waiting on US30. Yeah, gold's been a bit crazy. Gold's on its own mission. It is that sellers have said it is the plan, but I don't like that. So US30 we are patiently waiting. You have the new G's in chat. What's up, my man? In the free chat, yes. Alright, now, brother, you can check if he is. Otherwise, we'll see why support hasn't addressed him yet. You ran the show by yourself today, bro. Yeah, Chris was here, but he had to pop out. So, on my ace here today. Ed's man down. Miles doesn't trade in New York. So, Bonang is, I don't know, doing Bonang things. So, yeah, patiently waiting. We all are, brother. That's the thing. Sometimes it's difficult. But, yeah, we got to just sort it out. We got to be patient, yeah. Chill out. Wait for that right moment to strike. So, nothing but degen activity now. Hey. Only Keeks today. Is that gold sale with the filter on with Iron 2000? Let me have a look. No, I don't think it is with the filter on. Let's turn the filter on and let's see. No, there we go. So I'll show it to you guys now. So that's how you know all of those trades are invalid trades. Just before someone's going to say, Keegan, you're just saying that because you don't want to show losses. But let's go over to gold. You guys are going to see. So there was a trade. There was a trade. There was a trade. But now let's go over. You put the filter on. Bang. What happens? Check that. All the trades are gone. So all those trades were fake trades. So let's see, guys. Let's see. But I'm doing side quests 100%. With the throttles, maybe. Yeah. What's up, Chad? What's up, Bobs? Go kick my ass. 2Gs don't want to give me my TV. Trustpilot me bumping heads. Got a great week. Gonna sit on my ass. Hey. Keith, do you take into account the filter with the new concept? I do, my brother. I've been testing it since we have taken it off. But so far, every trade I've taken is a trade that had the filter on. Because obviously, keep in mind, when I did that back testing, when I sent it to you guys over the weekend or whenever I sent it, we were still using the filter on then. Hi, Keegan, thank you for your dedication and commitment. It's highly appreciated from the community. Keep up the good work. Roman, really appreciate the kind words, brother. We'll always be here to help the community. Okay, cool. Yeah, great results. Yeah, so as I said, you know what, yes, it's not cool because it's not like, I'm not catching 10 trades a day and clapping TPs left, right, and center. Yes, there were days like that, but yeah, there might be a day where flip, you only might get one trade in the whole day. But you know what, it's worth it. So like this now, I'm waiting. I know what I'd love to see, but I gotta wait for it. Yeah, I can tell you, if it comes our way, very, very good chance we can have a beautiful trade. How's that gold bar running still? Still just hovering there. Okay. I'll take fewer trades with much higher win rate. Yeah, bro. I mean, we spoke about this with the guys who will say, for example, end of the day, like if a guy over leverages and he's machine gunning, and you might close the day 2.5%, 3% down, wouldn't you rather than sit and be like, okay, cool, let me risk the same amount but on one trade, which I know has a very good setup. So one trade, and I risk that 2.5%, and I do a TP3, TP4 as you've seen with the others, and then you're making a 2R, 3R, and one trade can become a 6% trade. Gold should drop very sharply. Should the 4-hour close bearish in 11 minutes, in my honest opinion? Yeah, we also bearish on it, brother. We also bearish on it. How many pips you shooting for them, bro? If we get the bar where I'd want the bar to be, it could be like in total. I mean, you could be talking maybe like 150 pip trade, but I don't know if that's where I take it. That's a different story, but. Yeah, I'd be looking at like 150 pip trade. Keys, you wanting that US30 bar to print above Asia lows to target Asia high. Yeah, very, very similar, brother. Obviously, Asia lows for me is a first step we kind of have to get past. But as you said, I mean, let's just say you're getting like, yeah, even if you target Asia highs, I mean, yeah, there's technically your 150. And for me personally, if you got to Asia highs, very good chance you're going to test that previous daily low as well. So yeah, just a bit of a waiting game. Keys, how did the cracker do? Sure, let me have a look for you, brother. I'll tell you now. Obviously, we were focused on the giveaway and all that stuff, and then I had to set up everything else. So I didn't actually send the cracker to the guys today. But what would the cracker have done? So cracker would have wanted that. So let's just have a look here quickly. Cracker would have hit TP. Very, very slow, but Cracker would have hit TP. You all missed the giveaway. Hey, my brother. Yeah, you missed it. But you can go back and have a look at it if you want to. Again, it is going to come down to if you get contacted. So you just have to wait and see if you get contacted. Donnie, we don't have anything to do with him. We have cut all ties with him. So wish him the best. He can go on his own, do his thing. I believe karma will have a place for him. But no, we have no contact with him. Yeah, Donnie, I don't know if you're obviously unaware of what happened. So yeah. Come on, USD, just push for us. This feels like when we had to watch Trump yesterday. It's just not doing anything for us. This is a move. This time I paid myself. However, this is 10 pip game market. Yeah. Oh, Lyndon. Nah, Chad. I've said it's not always going to say it. I absolutely love our community. You guys are family, and yo, we are truly blessed to have the community we have. At least you got views that day. Obviously fell off again after, but hey, it worked. Yeah, it's a shame. Gold being the one today. Hey, is gold moving? Whew. Goldilocks. Gold is moving today, actually, eh? We appreciate you too. I have. This was for the one that won the TV. Wait. The boys. The guys were like manifesting it. Hey, but don't give up too early, guys. Don't give up too early. Gold and me are best friends this week. We're excellent, brother. We 50 USD now. Hey. Globex high broken on NAS 100. Ooh. We know what that means, Chad. If you guys were in the boot camp and if you guys listen, now you know what to wait for with regards to Globex. My only problem is that would mean technically this could crop. To be fair, it actually isn't. Like, it just means if it carries on bullish, you won't get your entry and it just goes bullish. But if it turns around and you do get entry, this thing means it could be catching up to USD, and USD is right. 500 views and we can get someone's credit card number and we can all buy. Yo, the boys are going all in here. The guys are going all in here. Come on, US30. Do something for the people. Ooh, there we go, Chad. DXY. Making a comeback. Remember, this is what we spoke about. Has to come back for this retest. I'll give you my credit card number, brother, but it will decline, unfortunately. What are the higher time frames saying? Okay, so 15 hasn't given anything. The 5, has the 5 given something? Oh, okay, so the 5 is technically still in sells. Alright. Yo. That would have been unfortunate. Oh my word. A TP3. Okay, but normally we close TP3. But I mean a TP3 and then literally you would have got hit break even. But yeah, no signals just of yet. Only those sells earlier. We are patiently waiting. She can get brutal at times. Emerson, are we trying to figure these activities? Figure out this new concept since you posted, but I have no idea. Hey, Ray. The guys want the source. Is this the moment, Chad? Can we get an entry eventually? Eventually, could we get something? Come on, US 30. I might just take a normal, like, aggressive trade at Asia lows if we can break it. So if we can even get above Asia lows and hold there, I might even just take a normal aggressive trade. I got up at Asia highs. A manual trader. There we go. No more indicators, guys. We're going to trade manually. Sure. Chad, those gold cells are actually worked out nicely. They're TP1 now. Come on, US 30. You are making us all wait here today. We are waiting patiently. Patiently waiting. All we want to do is trade. See, it's moments like this we want Trump to talk, but if I look at yesterday, he didn't really do much. Come on, Trumpo, do something for the boys here. Give us some sauce. 8 more reviews to go, Chad. Talking on a waffle, Trump. He's got to talk in a bit. Is he really? Oh. Maybe then our boy's going to do something for us. Maybe then he does something. We're about to have, I think, the 4-hour close now, if I'm correct. Yeah, 4 hours going to close. Holding that. Oh, we did hold lower as support, but battling to get above Asia lows. Battling to get above. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. Are you going to do this to us now? You're going to do us dirty at US 30. Oh, that's no bottom wick on the 4-hour. Give us a bottom wick. Because if you go bullish now, I don't like that. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. That's fine. Let's go now. Oh my word, we're gonna wait here a while, Chad. The thing is that with that new 4, it's giving us a nice bottom wick now, but the thing is, this can either go to go full the 4-hour bottom wick, or we can go trade for that 4-hour top wick. So we really at a point now where this 4-hour can go either way right now still. Obviously we want to be on the side with volume. Gravy Pillars and Blankets. Trump is going to speak if he is really speaking. USD has been brutal this session, bro. It's literally done nothing. USD is cooked. Small one, but happy with the trade. Keys, I spoke. The you must show feet and it hey, is that the game we play now, guys? Let the dogs out. But USD has really tested our patience lately. But no way, that's the only thing, because it's just growing. Oh, NASDAQ is looking beautiful. And US30 just chilling. Gold on its way to TP2. We really, I think, just chose the Dadia today, guys. I mean, so if you look here, so Nas running very, very nice, very smoothly. Once you bought, so literally no drawdown. Gold chilling over here. Here was your sell, little pullback, and then run in. So did we just get the dud? The day I trade USD, it decides to chop a. Yeah, it's USD is one of those pairs there. You gotta sit there, you gotta talk nicely to it. Because that's the thing, like, even if you get in now, like, if you try to force something and you just try and, like, get in, you're not making any moves. I mean, you're moving, like, 10 pips just in each direction. Anytime US30. US30 currently going through puberty like teenager. Keys, do you ever use VWAP? We do sometimes, brother, with the marketing, with the volume, especially when we use what's that thing? What's it over here? This thing, Bookmap. Then we use it, yeah. So it is quite a interesting tool to use. When you are using the map of books. TikTok owner smiling from ear to ear. Gabba Linda Knight, I always say some pips is better than nothing. I'm only starting to understand Bookmap because of the lives. Hey, there we go. It's end of the day, guys. It's just a volume profile. That's all it is. And again, a volume profile that comes very back to the idea of support and resistance. Yo, Chad. This is painful. I give up, James. Check y'all tomorrow. Have a blessed one, brothers. Don't catch on nonsense. We're gonna try, my brother. We're gonna try. We are gonna try. US30 has not yet gotten close to opening price. I have a theory. Oh. Stay safe, bro. Stage 2 load shedding. Ooh. Ooh. US30 and NAS going completely different directions. US30 0.5% down. NASDAQ about to reach 1% up. What are these markets doing? Chad, this is when you just full send, because then you make TP on like 5 pips. Before I go, I think load shedding chalked the market's argument or something. Must be. Whoa, Chad, why are we talking about? Is load shedding back? Am I missing something that you guys are like all talking about it? Please don't tell me it's back. Now for people who's driving. No, guys, seriously, is it back now? Yes. Oh my flip. You are joking. It's back. Stage 2. Like immediately. Stage 2 load shedding back in the evenings from today till Thursday. From 4 PM today. Oh my word. Oh my word, guys. Hold on. You guys might just ruin my night now. Not necessarily you guys, but load shedding. Oh my word. I don't even know if our inverter is charged. Oh no, we have solar. I have a full solar at my holiday house. I'll be disappearing for a while. I just cracked down in the UK. Hey, Brian, you're in the UK. I'm glad to know you. You had safe travels there. It's back. Keys, I'm a technical manager for a solar company. You need an inverter for the office. We might in the future, my brother. I don't know if we'd invest into it all like now. Maybe in the future. K-Pro's gonna be crazy now. Oh my word. That is so bleak. Hey, okay, well, looks like I don't have load shedding tonight. That made my day. I've got tomorrow, but I don't have today. No load shedding. Come on, Chad. Markets are making me wait. You know what's gonna happen, Chad? Is like I know I'll walk away, or I'm gonna go sit in the car at a drive that would have made me, let's say, take 10 minutes. It's gonna take 25 minutes, and that last 5 minutes extra that we're in the drive, I'm gonna get a trade, and that thing's gonna rocket, and I'm gonna miss entry. I'm telling you now, that's what's gonna happen. Keys and advice for how to get a mindset right after a massive loss. First, my brother, take a break. Don't try to force anything. Get your head first, like clear, calm, everything like that. And when you come back and you start trading, trade a smaller lot. Trade that you get 2-3 wins under your belt to get your confidence back up. Because a lot of the time, emotionally, we want to just make back the big loss we took. but it's more, you'd be surprised, even taking the losses or smaller wins and just getting them recurring and recurring, get your confidence back in your trades, believing in yourself. And at the same time, end of the day, it's chipping away at that loss you had. That's my solution. Get your edge back in the market, if you want to call it that. And then that's where you start going back to your normal routine. But first things first, I'd say take a break. Whether it's a day, whether it's 2 days, whether it's a week, don't take a trade. Don't put your emotions and risk back on the table till you've at least calmed down. So emotionally that you've calmed down and in a neutral state. The big wins are great, but the losses, yeah, that's what people always tell you, and we talk about it, is everyone wants to trade and make the big wins and do, I want to say, like what the bigger guys do. But they always forget with big wins comes big losses. So they forget that part very, very carefully. And the guys always see the wins, but when you truly get tested is how you manage the big losses. Chris will tell you when he got into the very big world of trades, he had depression. I had depression when I lost a lot of money. Yeah, that's when you're going to find out the type of trader you are. Come on, US study, is this our time? Is this our moment for glory? Do it for the people. Do it for the people, US study. Come on. We know you can. We know you want to. Come on, US 30. You are so close. You are so close, US 30. You can do it. There it comes, Chad. There it comes. You can do it. Do it for the team. Do it for the boys. Just run. Run for us. Run for the boys. We know you can do it. Come on, US 30. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Come on. We want to see that volume. Come on. Go for it, US 30. There we go. Beautiful stuff. Chad, I'm closing there. Basically a TP1. There we go. Beautiful stuff. I'm closing there, Chad. That was me in and out. And the reason I closed that a little bit earlier, so just so everyone can see there was the trade. You guys can see with the entry and exit, just so you guys can see. The reason I closed there, Chad, was that little bit short is actually all I needed, because we started my fourth account, and that is the fourth account done with phase 1. So that's onto the next account. We will see what's going to happen with that there. That was a quick, I'm not going to lie to you, Chad, I actually entered when this candle was still forming, so I was in like from there already. That was a quick 45 pips, but that is actually all we needed just to get it over the line there. That is all we needed. There's the buy. 2% incoming for Nas. Yeah, it's going to be a big one there. 10 is 10, a 45er. Fourth account, Dan Keys, well done. Yeah, Shadrixie, we are chasing that max allocation. Max allocation and prime status. So I know if just not to make sure the same mistake, I even made a post on that trade and set up a stove. The big ones are great, but yeah, Rooks, Linden, yeah, the traffic where we join onto the freeway is so cuck over here. There's the signal. Beautiful paper trade, Keys. Rooks, that's it, bro. You can't lose money when you're paper trading, eh? Savvy trade. Taking a holiday till the weekend. See you on Monday. Hey, Stove, that's it, my brother. Don't be too hard on yourself, though. I know it's cuck when we take those big losses. Even myself, I get aggressive. I still, and that's the thing. Emotions are still there. We have to try and hide them as much as we can, but they are still there. And it's part of this game we play, unfortunately. But yeah, do you get any benefits for max allocation? You do get a few benefits, but that a lot of time, by the time you achieve max allocation, you also achieve prime status. So they kind of, it's very odd that you would have the one and not the other. So yeah, unless you like full sent and you had just like, let's say 200k accounts and you full sent them and got them funded at the same time. But like having 400k accounts, the process of doing that and getting payouts, it would be very weird that you don't get that. So I wouldn't say necessarily from max allocation. I'd say more from the prime status. You get a lot of benefits. Stope bro literally took 100k just the other day. You've got this China. That's the thing. That's right, Stope. Don't be hard on yourself. My brother said take the time, get yourself mentally and emotionally in the right space, and just I want to say calm your zone and your mental space. Don't be too hard on yourself. We make the mistakes, but those mistakes what lead us to be the better trader after the fact. So don't break yourself down. Don't be too hard on yourself. Just make sure you learn from it. And I promise you'll come back twice the trader, brother. It's part of it. It's part of the journey. So no, we think of you, my bro, but you will get through this, brother. But that was a quick one there today, guys. I mean, already there is turning around. If you guys are still holding, see, is our normal thing. There's your 60-60. If this holds now that retest of weekly R2, can turn around very quickly. We're 0.5% down, only 0.2 now. NASDAQ skyrocketing at 1.3% up on the day. So we really could see US 30 be the turnaround at the moment. That can be the turnaround point. Who the hell is this? But I am very much happy with that one, Chad. Globex previous daily high. Oh, the boys. Chad, I said it to the guys in the group, and I'll say it again. I love it when the guys listen, because the fact they're seeing that, the fact they're learning, that shows something. I love it. Dun, 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 dun. I want to do this for you guys quickly, just so you guys can see there. I'll do it later, actually, on my laptop. It loads a bit better. But yeah, that is that one done there for you guys. Let's just see it. Has it already sent through? Dun, 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 dun. Those are rewards, verification, challenges. Verification, reward. rewards, overall reward. Okay, I can't see it now, so it's probably still going to load a while. I'll wait for you guys can see it. And that is the 4th account into phase 2. So we'll see what's going to happen there. We're going to be like, no shot keys. I got a call from an unknown number. I got so excited, but it was insurance coming for life. Oh, bro. You know, ATM, you know, you say that. And I don't know if Andre's here. I know he was on the CPI call. I know he's so busy, guys, so I don't blame him if he's not here now. But the Prodigy guys will tell you how Andre manifested his trip down to PE. And if you, I know you were manifesting that PlayStation TV, so if you got that call, bro, that would have been mental. Keys, you enter the bar on the bar signal and close basic T1. My question is, there's a certain amount of time to stay in a trade when doing proper counts, brother. No, there's not, my brother. FTMO does not have that. That depends on the prop firm you're trading with. FTMO has no amount of time you have to be in. I mean, if you guys remember the cracker, for example, the cracker sometimes hit TP in less than a minute. So a one minute trade candle would be entry and TP. So yeah, it really depends on the prop firm, and yeah, that's why I have no issue with them. But no, FTMO has no scalping rule of a certain amount of time you have to be in the position. And Vault Funder, does Vault Funder have that? No, they don't. If I could be maybe wrong, yeah, but I'm very much certain they do not have a certain amount of time you have to be in a trade. Some props have that anti-scalping rules, yeah. How often are Vault Funder payouts? Your first payout 30 days, after that bi-weekly. Offering first payout after 30 days and then bi-weekly. There we go. So what's gold been doing? Gold still. Oh, there we go. So gold turned around there. Oh, damn. Gold also giving the buy now. Nas, that thing just absolutely climbing a bar. TP4. Oof. Absolutely. NASDAQ was crazy. As I said, guys, weekly just got the dud for the day, but we waited and the dud still got the job done. Remember, guys, last few reviews, please do us a favor, go drop a review on Trustpilot. Once we have 100 reviews, we're going to give away 100k accounts. If you guys missed it, we just did the PlayStation 5 and 65-inch QLED 4K Smart TV giveaway, selecting the winners. So they will be contacted by XM. And then once we have the confirmation that the client has allowed us to approach them, we will then get in contact with you guys to basically give you your prize and organize shipping. As I said, it is still brand new. It is actually sitting at the store. It's being paid for. It's just waiting on delivery details. So you're going to get it brand new out of the box. It will probably take 2 days. So the fact it is Tuesday, if we have the answer by, let's even say tomorrow, you will have your item most probably by Friday. So definitely hoping we can get that to the guys. We will do a little video giving you a call, so going to be very, very exciting. But yeah, we're looking forward to see who the winner is, because at this point we don't even know who the winner is. We just have a client number, so we are still waiting ourselves. But that was the first of many giveaways we are going to be doing in the future, guys. The first of many. It was me. I will match you on Musk. Hey, guys. Still 8 more to go, so keep in mind, guys, another that 100k payout, 100k reviews for the 100k account. Well, not 100k reviews, technically 100 reviews, but Nearly there, guys. You are nearly there. We really, really appreciate all the support you guys give and the help. Must say a lot of guys enjoying the indicator. Keep in mind, guys, we are always trying to improve it. We have obviously the new version things I was looking at. We have the version Chris and myself worked on to improve it. So we are constantly always working to improve that as well. I know a lot of guys are already making money. I think yesterday you saw we posted just some of the results. We did a thing last week where we posted results. We posted some yesterday. We'll keep doing it almost every few days just to show you guys. But guys, definitely making wins. As I say, guys, that is not any strategy, not any indicator, nothing that's going to give you 100% win rate. It's always about how you use it, how you adapt to it, are you greedy? Do you take the small wins and just chip away? It's all up to your approach. But obviously we're going to continue to make it as helpful and more potent as we can for you guys. Chris also finishing our ultimate beginner's guide video. So that is literally, we finished shooting that today. It goes into the editing process now, and hopefully, let's say by the weekend, we can have that video go out for you guys. So we really want to start embracing everyone. As you said, the whole idea with the trade for you was to bring trading to everyone, and that means obviously even people do need to understand the very, very basics of how you open the account, how do you enter a position, how do you do this, how do you do that. The simple stuff we take for granted, we expect guys to know, and literally put it all together for you. Keith's going to give the project you guys a little taste of the source for the new criteria. It's been racking my brain, but no stress. We'll wait for Iron 1K. We'll see, my brother. We will see. Maybe we can give you guys a little bit of the source there. We'll talk about it. Maybe we'll see. Maybe this weekend have a little bit of a call with the guys or something. I'll chat to Chris. Then maybe just before we are ready to release it, we'll give the project guys some little insights there. But Chad, that is the trade. As I said, you guys can check out my socials. I will happily post that the certificate just to show you guys again that other account is now done. How to hide money from the taxman and teach us those tricks. Hey guys, I don't know what you're talking about. It's all about being tax efficient. Tax efficient is what you're looking for. But Chad, this has been a good one. Let's just go full screen here quickly. We waited. I got the trade I wanted. You know what, not the biggest trade, but it is what we needed for the day. So we can happily just tick off those boxes. The rest of the guys, as I said, even the fact that we did just have the dud, even if we still look at it now, USD did numbers. NASDAQ, absolute monster today. So we did have the dud, and even in that case, we were able to pull out what we wanted. We were patient. We didn't get in the choppiness. We got our 40, 50, some of the guys 60 pips, and we could walk away with it. And that's what I say. Sometimes it's not about being greedy. We already knew we had the dud for the day. So why would you now hold and be like, oh, we also going to go 1% and catch up for the day? It's clearly show you it's not as strong today. It doesn't have volume today. So take what you can take. Don't try to swing for the fences. But Chad, again, really appreciate all of you. Always join the stream, drop it in. If you keep losing money, they can't tax you. I love that. But guys, as I say, keep a lookout for that phone call, please, because we are still waiting. So I don't know if they have called people yet. I don't know if you guys have been answered. I don't know. We are waiting. So please, if you do get a call, unknown call today, just for today, if anything, take those calls, especially if you know you entered for the giveaway. And then hopefully tomorrow we can record it when we give the call to you guys to make contact to arrange that details on the giveaway. But Chad, as always, thank you to every one of you for joining in again. Another blue day. CPR on a stretcher once again. I hope you guys check the stories. For those that hanged out till the end, getting the CPR call and signal at the end of the London session, so they were also able to make bags with us. But Chad, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. And we are going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow, as always.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words you say, To say the words you remember.
jack it up.